Good morning, scholars. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, today we are going to discuss how can we do photo editing online with the help of a particular website. So, let's start. First of all, go to web browser. Here we will type a website name www.pixlr.com, and after that we will press enter key. See, this is the main screen of PIXLR photo editing website. Now in the left hand side you will see one button, open image. You have to click on it. Now you have to select an image from the desktop. I have already saved one image on the desktop. So I am going to select that image now, like this. Now this image, it has been inserted here in front of you. Here in the left hand side, you will see different types of tools are there, just like MS Paint. These are different tools which you can see in the left hand side. By using these tools, you can do photo editing. Firstly, I am clicking on Effect tool. Under the Effect tool, all these types of effects you will get. Whichever the effect you want to apply on this image, you can select it with the help of your mouse. As I have selected, now I will tell you how can you adjust the colors in the picture. See, as I am doing here now, in the same way, you have to apply different effects. After making these changes in it, you can click on apply button. So you will get those particular effects on the image. If you want to add text on the image, so go to text tool, click on it. Here you will click to add new text. So whichever the text you will type in the text box, it will appear on your image. As I am typing here this text, stop child labor. So in this way, we can add text in this image, and you can drag this text anywhere up or down on this image. You can even change the font type. By default, it was displaying Arial. You can change any font style. Under the text, now there is one more option, align and case. If you want to align this text in the center, you will click on center align button. If you want to align it in the left side, click on left align button. And if you want to align in the right side, then you will be clicking on right align button. Same way, if you want to bold this, show this text in the bold form, you will be clicking on B. If you want to show this text in the italic form, then you will be clicking on I. If you want to change the font color, now you can choose from here. So many colors are shown here. Whichever the color you want, you just select it and you will see the change on this image. So in this way, you can do photo editing in the website. So like this, you can do photo editing as per your requirement by using this website. After this, I am telling you how can you save this picture. In the bottom, one button is given, save button. You have to bring your mouse pointer here and you will click on it like this. It will ask you file name. So whichever the file name you want to give, you have to type the file name in the file name box. After that, it will ask you file type. Whichever the format you will select, it will save that with this file type. Then if you want to save this, then you have to click on download button. So in this way, downloaded message, it will appear on the screen and your image, it will be downloaded. Just have a look on the screen. Now this image, it has been saved. So like this, students, you can do photo editing online and you can save that edited picture on the computer. So that's all for today. Hope you have enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much and have a nice day.
freeintromusic.com layout track.